Hi, this is Osama, and I recently joined US Smith's Dropshipping Masterclass. Before joining this program, I was working my business on Amazon, and for that, I was sourcing products from China, which took me roughly about 25 to 45 days before I could receive the products and then put them up for sales. So it was time consuming. Secondly, the products I was selling, I was paying a lot of money on paid ads campaign. So this costing me a lot and was hurting my budget. I really enjoyed the program. It was incredible. The best thing about it is that there were actionable things to do, actionable tasks for each specific week. So that helped me to remain focused, and so far I'm really enjoying the program. I specifically joined this program because this was specific to the UK based market. It was giving me a plan how to reduce my transit time. So the coaching calls, you have someone available for you who has years of experience and has helped a lot of people to build their businesses. So Dropshipping on our program has helped me to make my mindset in terms that initially when I was selling on Amazon, I was looking at products which were low in terms of cost, but this course allowed me to think about products which were high in terms of value, but I had a lot of margin to play with. Anyone who has issues investing, I'm going to tell them that this is the best thing they can do. Take care.